Welcome back to the channel. I'm Stuart Victor Echo 9 Charlie Foxtrot, and spring is here on the Maritimes. And I haven't done a video like this in about a week because I was off sick last week like crazy. I was ill like you wouldn't believe, but we're back. My voice is still a bit raspy, but we're getting through it. Anyway, this weekend was a busy weekend for QSO parties. We had the Ontario QSO Party, we had the Quebec QSO Party, and we also had the Holy Land DX contest, which was really not a QSO party, more like your traditional contest. Anyway, I got thinking, in my calling CQ for Ontario and Quebec, a reminder on how QSO parties work for all of you people out there that are new to QSO parties. So a QSO party is a contest where you are calling CQ from an area. So like, for example, on June 7th, we're going to have our Atlantic Canada QSO party. So how that will work for stations here in Atlantic Canada, like me in New Brunswick or Nova Scotia, PEI or Newfoundland, we are allowed to make contact with any station outside of our region and inside our region. And we get points for making contacts across multiple regions. Now, for the Ontario and QSO party this weekend, since I am outside of that jurisdiction, my QSOs only count for contacts in that area. So for example, for every VE3 or VA3 or any station in Ontario I work, I get a multiplier for a different county and I get points for each station I work. Same for Quebec. So when I'm calling CQ Ontario or CQ Quebec, and if you're in New York and you call me, I can't count that. So if when a QSO party is going on and there's a station from outside the call area, and it's easy in Canada because you can't have a VE3 and live outside Ontario. So if I'm a VE9 calling into Ontario, it's safe to assume that I'm not in Ontario because our rules, unlike the US where you can have any number anywhere in the country, we don't work that way. So it's kind of pointless for you to call me because I can't log you for the contest. My QSOs only count for VE3s and VE2s and VA2s and VA3s and any other stations that are in Ontario and Quebec this weekend. So that's how QSO parties work. For stations outside the call area, we can only work, now this is not all, but most, high percentages of them, we can only work stations in that area. For example, when the North Carolina QSO party work, I can only work North Carolina stations. North Carolina stations can work anyone else. So that's how a QSO party works. I can only work stations in that area, or if I'm in that area, I can work stations from outside the area. So keep that in mind when you're hearing a station calling a QSO party. I don't necessarily respond to anyone who's not aiming for a certain jurisdiction on a QSO party because I know it doesn't count. All right, I'm Stuart Victor Echo 9 Charlie Foxtrot. My voice is starting to go here. So I'll say 7-3 for now, and we'll see you guys in the next video. So there's a little reminder on QSO parties.